What's up guys, and welcome back. So today is a very special day because I'm going to be having my first Bowdens three-way. I thought it'd be a great idea to bring you guys along to see how it goes. High five! And by three-way I do mean the new Bowdens product. Now this is a fast and effective paint decon product, a clay lube and a wax remover. Now I haven't used a product like this before on the Jeep, and I do work near a construction yard, so I'm hoping we'll get a lot of reaction. But being a black paint, we shouldn't see too much. On a lighter colour paint like white, see the iron seeping off, but on a black paint or darker colours you probably won't see it as much. But I do have a bicycle here that is a light colour, so I think we'll try the three-way on that as well and see how much reaction we can get on that. Let's have a look. And of course, if you're having a three-way, you've got to use good rubber. That's not the right one. And of course, by good rubber I mean the new Bowdens claying rubber pad. This is a good alternative to using a clay bar. Just so you can reuse it, wash it, you don't actually have to tear bits off and throw it away. So I've already washed down the Jeep so it's nice and clean. Alright guys, let's get started. Now I've already done the passenger side, so now I'm going to do the driver's side. What I'm doing is doing a light haze of three-way, letting it sit for about a minute so all the ironed decon starts reacting well. Then I'll be spraying it a little bit onto the claying rubber, and then we're going to work it in. Okay, since now we've finished claying the car, it's time to hose it all down, and then we're going to wash it again. So now the paint is looking good, there's no iron left in it, it's all clean and dry. Now it's in perfect condition to either use a paint restoration on it, or you can just go straight to wax or a polish to make it look absolutely perfect. But because that's a black paint, we didn't see too much of the reaction from the iron decon product. So I've got my wife's bicycle sitting there, so we're going to chuck it on there and see how it goes. Okay guys, that's it for today. Brum the Jeep is looking absolutely amazing now after his three-way. I'm glad you guys were there to watch my first three-way, and if you guys want to have a three-way of yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go to the Bowdens website and have a three-way yourself. As always guys, hit that subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.